National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for eastern Monroe County in southwest Pennsylvania until 12:32 p.m. At 10:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sussex, moving south at 23 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Philadelphia around 10:45 p.m., Essex around 10:41 p.m., Hudson around 12 p.m. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a story building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a ditch or low spot and cover your head with your hands. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 190-134-293 when you can do it so safely. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:32 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Monroe,